Lorena Schuett is a Thai-Canadian actress, model, singer and social media influencer. In 2025, she played My Safe Zone. This is Channel 3's high-profile girls' love series, one of the channel's entires into the growing GL genre. Filming wrapped earlier in 2025 and it either recently premiered or is currently airing or streaming on Channel 3 platforms in late 2025. This marks her first lead role in a GL project and has generated huge buzz in the Thai GL fandom. She has a Thai mother and a Canadian father, which gives her mixed heritage. Lorena has been under contract with Thailand's Channel 3 since 2016, making her acting debut that year in the drama Nari Risaya. Her roles often feature in romantic, dramatic or family-oriented stories popular in Thai television. She is active on social media with her Instagram handle Lalina, where she shares updates about her life and work. Lorena is represented as a rising star in the Thai entertainment industry, particularly known for her roles in Channel 3 productions. In 2025, she played a stepmother, a primetime lakhorn that aired in 2025 on Channel 3. She played one of the main antagonists, a spoiled, dramatic stepdaughter who throws tantrums and clashes with the senior cast. It was a major villain role for her and received a lot of attention, for her performance was praised for being convincingly vicious. She was scouted while living in Chiang Mai, auditioned and immediately signed. Her acting debut was indeed in the 2016 Lakhon Nari Rizaya, where she played the lead role of Nida, a young or teen version. It was her very first drama and aired on Channel 3.